Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and being ageless is more than just how you look. Being ageless is how you feel. But what if we could do both? You might see me bouncing around in these videos a lot, but that's because I love that energy of life. I've been on this health journey and I wanted to check into supplements to make sure I'm getting everything I need to be as age-reducing as possible. And I think it is possible. I found Ageless Foundation Laboratories, and this is a supplement they have that I can take once a day. I take one packet at night. This is the Valencia orange flavor. I pour it into my glass, and I fill it with about 4 to 8 ounces of water. I'm gonna call that good. And I stir it up. And I drink mine right before I go to bed because I don't want to drink it on a full stomach. And it also makes me sleep better because it fills my stomach as if I've had something to eat. I like to be really thin in life, and this is one of my tricks. It tastes great. I love that orange flavor. It has 50 calories and it's made with a stevia product, so it's not all sugar calories, which is super. In it, it has 1,000 units of vitamin A. It also has niacin, calcium, sodium, potassium, and some proprietary ingredients. And that's what makes me feel younger, and I hope look younger too. And I want it to make me live longer. Viva to life. I live such an active lifestyle. I'm always trying to eat healthy. I go to my local farmer's market in Santa Barbara. It's such a fun thing to do in my town. It has all the fun vendors with their fresh fruit and vegetables. I'm so lucky to live in a place that has a great farmer's market like this. It's so fun to stroll down the street and squeeze those tomatoes and check out all the different vegetables they have. It's inspiring to eat healthy. That's part of my health journey. I don't always eat great, but walking down farmer's market I think is one of those things that inspires me to eat a bit healthier every day. But once a day, I take the UltraMax Gold Effervescent powder in my glass of water. The proprietary alpha Nero complex is what gives it the specialness of why this is such a great supplement. This rejuvenation formula has everything I want. It's the only supplement I take in a day. I'm liking what it does for my body mass. I want my body mass to be more lean. I feel it gives me more energy, like when I'm shopping at farmer's market. And it supports my immune system because I don't like to get sick. I'm just too busy. I cannot be slowed down. I think being ageless is not about how long you live, but how you look and how you feel while you live. But I still want to live longer, and I want to feel great and look great at any age, especially my age. The box has 22 packets inside that look like this. All of these. So 22 days will last you a month because I just take it 5 times a week. And I want to show you what it looks like inside, because don't we all want to know? Sprinkle, sprinkle. Here is a texture. It feels like sugar, but it's not sugar. It's all their ingredients, and it dissolves well. And this is what it looks like when it's dissolved in the proper amount of water, which was 8 ounces, but I drank some of it. It looks and feels like it's consistency of an orange soda, and it tastes like it too, except it's not fattening. It's healthy. I take it for 5 days straight and then I skip 2 days. Typically I skip a weekend because I'm out and about so much. So weekdays is when I take the Ageless Foundation's UltraMax Gold Effervescent Powder. It's just my routine. So click the link below to get your box of Ageless UltraMax Gold Effervescent Powder. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe to be ageless. That tastes so good. If you like this video, here's some more over here that are in the same genre of looking really good, age management, and being youthful, looking good, and feeling good.